In Spanish, one of the most important verbs to learn is the verb to be. This is one of the most often used verbs, but also one of the trickiest to learn. In Spanish, we have two variations of the verb to be, ser and estar. Ser we use for more permanent states, things related to our identity, our religion, our career, our nationalities, etc. Estar we use for more temporary states, such as our location, our condition, how we're feeling, or even the weather at the moment. Here you have some examples on how to use ser and estar in different settings.
¿Fuiste a la universidad?
Sí, soy abogada.
¿Cómo estás hoy?
Estoy un poco cansada.
¿De dónde eres?
Soy argentina.
¿Te sientes bien?
Estoy un poco enferma hoy. Creo que tengo fiebre.
¡Qué lindo día!
Sí, está muy soleado. Now you know how and when to use ser and estar in Spanish.